Guys, I got more space. I got just one with a big gust. I can hear a huge one coming. Oh no, it's raining. Oh no, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Very hard. Oh my. That sounds very just that strong. He's shaking. Oh my, look at the chimes. Jeez. Wow, it's stuck. It's starting to rain very hard. And now it's hugging up against it. Oh my. Oh my. Jesus. Look at the chime. Oh my gosh. That was a huge one. I've not seen like a huge ghost like this in a very long time. Very long time. You can hear it roaring. It's so bad. It's a huge ghost. That's a huge ghost. I can hear it roaring like so loud. I'm like a little bit nervous. Maybe that's just a plane, I don't know. Right, it's raining out, I don't know what to do. I don't want to get home. It's pouring the rain. It's extremely windy. It's not here yet. Not yet, at least. Oh my god. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm actually hearing the roaring or is that like a plane. That's definitely roaring. That's so loud. It's doing it again. Oh my lordy. All of them are going to start to go crazy too. This is very high. Wow. It's so windy. Stop raining for a sec. My God. That is the windiest I have ever seen it. No, I'm saying this. Anyway, it's the windiest I've ever seen it. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, topping that on one of my windows. It's tilted. Maybe I'll gonna fix it. I fixed it. Let's see, I'll move this one again. I don't know if that's shooters or not. I just think I found the shooter. Oh my. Oh my gosh, an entire branch came off. Wow. That was from that nest up there in that tree. Oh no, something flew off the nest. Oh, here it comes. It's a big gust. Oh my gosh, look at that one. my god. It's roaring through the trees. It's loud. Like, it wrapped up all the chimes last night too. Because of it, because it was so windy last night. And I'm like shaking. This is crazy. Very crazy. Oh my gosh, that dogwood tree back there is just literally going so crazy. See the trees are roaring, going nuts. Wow. And look, that one's not going any crazier. There's a cat. See her running across the street. Oh no, she was back there though. Wow. I wonder. Oh wait, I still have a lot more time left on my phone. I was worried that I wouldn't have enough time. Yeah, this is crazy though. Like very, very, very crazy. So windy. I'm like shaking. Yep, I can hear it again. Generally don't like it. It's a little bit uncomfortable. Oh no, the middle almost went out. Oh my gosh, the chimes are stacking together so crazy. Oh my gosh, here comes another humongous gust. Oh my gosh, this town puppet. This town has been going nuts. It's so loud though. Oh my gosh, this is a Carson chime. Oh, there's a hawk. Didn't quite catch it on camera. Wind is blowing very hard. Very, very hard. There's a hawk. I think it's slipping me. I can't quite see it. Wait, it's gone. Oh wait, it went behind the trees. You can't see it now. Well, there's only a couple more minutes I can record. I don't like this. But I'm also, today is the day where I actually have to pull up the plants, and it's not going to be a fun day. Because today's the end of the growing season. It's November 5th. Well, anyway, for us. It's the end of the growing season. I already ate 2 of the watermelons, so I probably should have showed. But I don't think I wanted to. Anyway, there's already like, all the watermelons are gone. Look, plants are dead, like fully dead. I tried to tie them up. Then you have the cucumbers, which are actually still trying to grow. Which I don't know why, but they are. I don't know if they're still quite nearly as alive as they used to be. But that one's fine now. Is it dying? Oh, it's dying. It's dead. It's in the process of dying. I don't think this is even still good anymore. I think this is dead. Same with this. That's firm, but still. still 10 more minutes I can record. I'm waiting on a big, huge gust to come. Eee, I don't like this. Wow. There's a big gust. Majority of the videos that I make, I don't even really post. I just make like a couple of videos that I just don't post them. And it's raining again. Yay. I have to stop filming a sec. Anyways, I think I'm done recording for now. Bye, guys.